Welcome back to our channel Saral Gyan. Today, we're diving into one of India's largest conglomerates, Tata Sons, and why they recently chose to pay off a massive 20,300 Indian rupees crore debt instead of going public. Let's get into it. Tata Sons, India's largest conglomerate, has recently cleared a substantial debt of 20,300 Indian rupees crore. However, this should not be interpreted as a sign of financial instability. With operations in 100 countries and a market capitalization exceeding 21.70 Indian rupees lakh crore, as of September 2022, Tata Sons is a major employer, with over 9.35 lakh employees. This underscores its significant market presence. The debt repayment was voluntary, reflecting the company's strong financial health. Demonstrated by a 25% revenue increase from 35,058 Indian rupees crore in FY23 to 43,893 Indian rupees crore in FY24, Tata has cultivated a loyal customer base through iconic products like Tata Salt, Tata Sky, Tata Tea, and Titan. The reason behind the debt repayment: Tata Sons paid off this significant debt primarily to avoid going public. Despite several Tata companies being publicly listed, Tata Sons prefers to remain unlisted. Following the RBI's classification of Tata Sons as a non-banking financial company, NBFC, the repayment allowed them to relinquish the need for listing within 3 years. Such a massive voluntary debt repayment highlights Tata's commitment to maintaining independence and focusing on India's growth. For instance, Tata's innovative vision led to the Tata Nano's launch, which, despite its discontinuation due to low demand, showcased India's manufacturing capabilities. Financial overview: post-debt repayment. Post-repayment, Tata Sons has only 363 Indian rupees crore in outstanding non-convertible debentures and preference shares. Additionally, they have deposited 405 Indian rupees crore with SBI as part of relinquishing their NBFC license, allowing for more operational flexibility and reduced regulatory burdens. Historical context and brand presence: founded by Jamsetji Tata in 1868, Tata Sons. In 1868, Tata Sons has evolved into a diversified global entity. The legacy continued with his successors, leading to ventures in various sectors, including aviation with Tata Airlines, now Air India, and a major presence in IT with Tata Consultancy Services. Tata Sons has 38 associates and 37 joint ventures, spanning industries such as consulting, healthcare, and biosciences. The Tata brand is protected through agreements requiring adherence to corporate governance standards. Current financial health: Tata Sons has shown impressive financial metrics, with a 57% rise in net profits to 34,654 Indian rupees crore and a 35.7% increase in market valuation to 15.21 Indian rupees lakh crore by FY24. Their holdings in key subsidiaries, including Tata Motors and Tata Steel, ensure a significant influence on strategic decisions. Future growth strategy: Tata Sons is strategically investing in sustainable energy in electric vehicles. Tata Power aims for a 100% green energy portfolio by 2045, while Tata Motors leads the Indian EV market with a 72% share. Conclusion: Tata Sons operates as a holding company with a vast portfolio through its subsidiaries. Despite recent talks of potential IPOs, the decision to repay debt emphasizes a commitment to remain unlisted. So, what do you think? Is Tata Sons making the right move by staying unlisted? Would you like to see them go public? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of business.